Hey guys, you want to keep your nails looking healthy? I'm going to show you how to make a DIY cuticle oil that's going to nourish, strengthen, and have your nails shining like never before. Let's get started. So we are going to use all these oils and mix them together to make a perfect, healthy, chemical-free, color-free cuticle oil. And I'm going to use this DIY funnel made with parchment paper because I don't have a funnel. I got this bottle from a local market and decorated it by myself. You want to secure your funnel tightly in the nail polish bottle. First, I'm going to use sweet almond oil as a base. This oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps repair and soften cuticles. It removes scars, cures dry skin, and prevents hangnails that make the appearance of cuticles look unhealthy. I also use all these oils on my face and hair as well. Next, I'm going to add some jojoba oil. There are no measurements, you can use as much as you want. I'm just going freehand. Next, I'm going to add some castor oil. The most of the mixture is sweet almond oil as a base. Now we want to take out our funnel. We don't need this anymore. Just shake the funnel to get all the oil inside. Next, I'm going to add a few drops, a maximum of 3 to 5 drops of lavender oil. You can use any other essential oil to add some fragrance, or you can totally skip this. Next, I'm going to add pearl beads. They're going to make my bottle look beautiful, and whenever you shake the bottle, the beads are going to help mix the oil very well and faster. Close the bottle, take it and shake it. Use this oil anywhere you want, most importantly on your cuticles, and there you go. You have got your own healthy chemical-free cuticle oil. Apply it every night, every day. You can keep this in your purse, and wherever you go, you can apply the cuticle oil to make your hands look clean and nourished. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know in the comment box if you want any other video to be made. I'll see you in the next one.